I'm out here on a wonderful cold morning. The sun is rising, beautiful shot, and you could decide of the photo and the video of regular and pure video, which you like of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Is it good enough to put into a Kodak printer, a Polaroid printer that fits now underneath the Ace Pro 2 to take those snapshots? How much will those films cost? I haven't checked it out. And the hand grip. This has now become the popular camera on the market, on the go, in a very compact size, now becoming more an all-in-one camera. We'll head over to a pier, a spot, and we'll give it a little highlight talk. Accessories for the Ace Pro 2, and I don't see any time soon an Ace Pro 3 for 2025. A lot's been happening on technology out there in the real world, and you'll see a lot of new things. I'm still checking each and every day for the wireless micro by Rode, and what I may hesitate now is because I use my DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro in Super Day mode, I call it, because that's super night. And it works for me doing my personal stuff, and I'm happy with it. So in the days coming, I will probably be looking at the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro, and hopefully I'll be gathering some information and making a video, but I'm not sure if I want to go that route. Just move forward with life. So there you have it. I don't have much information on what everybody is speculating and has it come out. When it comes out, you'll decide if you want one or not. The price is not going to be there, and I may just hold off and go for the extra XTRA Edge Pro and go that route, because of the reasons of, if DJI is out of this market with their products, then will they be out with the warranty and repairs? Who would you send it to? Over to China, and when it comes back you'll be duped, double charged? That's something I'm thinking about. If DJI, because of our market, the NAM, has put a hold on everything, it doesn't just hurt the... I hope you enjoyed today's short talk. I'm heading on out. I gotta go meet up with Joe. I gotta take care of Bizwax, and maybe I now gotta move forward with how I do things and let everybody know. I'm Fish, and I see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.